Plants gives us food grains, vegetables, fruits. We get flowers from plants, cotton wool from plants to make cotton clothes. We grow plants which are useful to us. First, we sow seeds, then we pour water to make sure that they get water, give manure when necessary, spray pesticides if they are attacked by insects. In this way, plants satisfy our needs by giving food grains, vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. Beyond human beings, even other living things also get their food from the environment. For example, chameleons eat insects when they are hungry. Some snakes eat mice and frogs. Goat and sheep eat leaves of plants. Cattle eats grass. Now let's learn a new term, arboreal. This word comes from the Latin word arboreal. This word comes from the Latin word arbor, which means tree. Arboreal means living in trees. Animal lives on trees for their safety. Animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees. Being at a height, they are better able to defend themselves from their enemies. Even they can eat the fruits of the trees to satisfy their hunger. Such animals are said to be arboreal. As they move around here and there in the surroundings, they spread the seeds of the fruit they have eaten. Through their droppings, new trees grow in different places. Not only animal, birds too find trees useful for building their nest. Arboreal animals. Children, can you name the seasons in our India? Yes, summer season, rainy season, winter season. So total we have 3 seasons. Now let's see in detail. In summer season, we feel very hot. So we drink plenty of water. We wear cotton clothes. In rainy season, we use umbrella, raincoats, gumboots. Even people use hoods to avoid getting wet in rain. In winter season, people wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. Just as the 3 seasons affect us, even other living things are also affected too. First, we'll see about the winter season. Winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangal, that is, the falling of leaves. That is because many trees shed their leaves in winter. The coats of many furry animals become thicker in winter. This keeps them warm in cold season. Examples of such animals are sheep and some types of goats and rabbits. The end of winter is also the time for the mango trees to start blossoming. These blossoms are called mohur in Marathi. Now, we'll see about summer season. In summer, the market is full of mangoes and watermelons for us to buy. This is the season for these fruits. Konkan region is particularly famous for its mangoes. It is also the season for cashew nuts. The red-yellow cashew apples can be seen growing on the cashew trees on the hillsides in the Konkan region. Now we will see about rainy season. In June, black clouds appear. The rainy season is a short way away. By this time, we begin to get jackfruits, jamuns, that is Java plums, and caravandas. The seeds of grass and other plants lie scattered all over the ground. They sprout and start growing as soon as it begins to rain. It becomes green everywhere. This greenery is soothing after the hot summer months. Sometimes we can even see the rainbow with its seven colors in the sky. Frogs appear as it becomes wet everywhere. We also hear the loud noise of frogs croaking all together. As the rainy season ends, it is time for winter to make a comeback. It gets colder and colder. This is not good for the frogs. They go deep under the ground for a long period of slumber which lasts for 7 to 8 months. We depend on agriculture for food. The different seasons, summer, monsoon, winter, are the time for doing different tasks in the fields. So children, always remember, the environment changes with the seasons. Living things have